Hey there, thanks for clicking. In today's video, I'm sharing new details about last week's school closure announcement and new info about our new virtual Launchpad school option. Also, where families can go this spring break for some free resources. I've also got a look back at this weekend's district hiring fair and how you can join Team HISD. Also, campus close-up at Revere Middle School and a big national win for the Westside Pride dance team. Let's get started. It is Monday, March 2nd. Well, last week we shared an important update about school closures that will take effect at the end of the 2025-26 school year. Now, the decision comes as the district addresses underutilized and aging facilities, all while working to sustain academic progress across the district. Now, we posted this detailed article on the HISD Now district news page. The article gives a bit more insight into some of the challenges the district has faced for years, like demographics and population shifts in Houston and the district's infrastructure and cost to repair versus cost to replace. It also outlines which campuses are impacted. We encourage all families to read the full story, and I'll drop a direct link right below. Now, as part of Accelerate Houston, our plan to modernize and expand programs for students, HISD is launching a new virtual school option called Virtual Launchpad, and we're hosting some info sessions this week. So Virtual Launchpad is designed for high school students, but the program is launching for the 2026-27 school year with students in grades 9 and 10. Now, this week on Wednesday, March 4th, families can learn more through these info sessions. Now, there's going to be 4 of them in both English and Spanish. One round will be at noon, another round at 6 p.m., and families must register. And families of 8th and 9th grade students who might be eligible should have received a message in Parent Square with registration links to each of those sessions. So be sure to check your Parent Square to sign up, and I'm also going to drop those links for you in the video description. Now, if you're looking for a flexible, high-quality virtual learning option for your student, this is your chance to get your questions answered.
We are excited to have you here today.
In other news, we just uploaded this new video on the channel about the 3rd annual 2026 Destination Transformation event. Now, we recently welcomed educational leaders from across Texas and even the country to see the work happening right here in HISD classrooms. For 2 days, visitors got a front row look at how strong teaching, aligned programming, and real instructional support are driving student success that is, and growth. You can tap that title banner right there to check out that video. Well, campus close-up is at Revere Middle School this week. Hey there, Principal Wiley. Thank you so much for hopping on this call today. Really appreciate it. I had the chance to sit down with Principal Wiley to talk about what makes her campus truly special, from its diverse school community to a strong focus on academic achievement and student success. Revere is building a culture where students are supported and challenged to thrive. Be sure to check out our full conversation. Just tap that title banner right there to check out that full conversation. Well, this past weekend, HISD hosted a district-wide multi-location hiring event for educators. Qualified candidates had the chance to interview on the spot and in some cases even receive same-day job offers. This is video from the event at Lamar High School. Now, at these hiring events, candidates also get the chance to learn more about the district, employee benefits, and much more.
So we have some of the highest salaries in the country, not just in the state, in the country for our educators. And that is what you get here at HISD in terms of being treated, you're not only being treated like a professional, but paid like a professional who are making a difference for kids every day.
If you're interested in joining Team HISD, mark your calendar for March 18th. We're hosting a Teach an HISD virtual information session from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. You can scan that QR code to register, and I'm also going to drop the link in the video description. You can also find this information and much more at houstonisd.org under the Employees and Careers tab, including video testimonials from HISD teachers, recruitment calendars, important dates, and details on what HISD has to offer. Well, spring break is next week, but starting today, our Sunrise Centers are here to help make families make the most of it. Now, anytime between now and spring break, families can stop by their nearest Sunrise Center to pick up a free spring break booster kit. Now, this is while supplies last. Each kit includes fun and useful resources like museum tickets, YMCA day passes, free books, snack packs, and more. Just scan that QR code to find a center near you. For families of our senior students receiving special education services, take a look at this right here. Our SPED department is hosting a special event called What Comes Next. This event is designed to help seniors and their families prepare for life after high school by connecting them with community agencies, post-graduation resources, and transition support services. Mark your calendar for March 25th and be sure to register. You'll find the link once again in the video description. Before we go, congratulations to the Westside Pride dance team. Take a look. They competed at the Contest of Champions, the Premier Dance Nationals in Florida, and they came back national champions. The team posted this photo to IG. Now, they were named overall national champs while also earning second place in team precision and third place in team kick. Congratulations to all of those incredible students. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.